freaking snowmageddon Charlotte edition. Elvis's old tires on the Escalade. We're gonna go take it out and see what it'll do in the snow. Actually, we're gonna take everything out and see what it'll do in the snow. Even the go-kart. But I can't fit in the go-kart, so you're gonna have to drive.
Yeah.
Okay, let's fire this thing up. We got it in 4-wheel drive, so we'll see if we can do some cyclones or something. Monte Carlo and pull it out too?
Probably go ahead while the door's open.
Yeah. Finally warmed up and ready. It's really temperamental when it's cold because it's still ethanol. Tuning's not ironed out to be this cold. When did you ever use it like this? It's so funny seeing this thing spit like the, you know, the exhaust condensation at these tires on snow. It's just like total state shift. Yeah, anybody else take their 2,000 horsepower turbo LS vehicle out in snow on purpose? No, only here. These tires might rub a little bit, but that's okay. So it actually works pretty good.
Kill me?
No.
Okay. So much better, I think.
Well, we can use both. That's why you never trust the GoPro these days. I'd just like to say, if you're not subscribed, I think we earned it by doing this. No one else. This is the coolest thing ever. We're just having fun here. Okay, I'm gonna sling around some more.
Those BFGs look so damn good on there.
Is like almost too good to slide around in this tiny little spot.
That was really cool.
Was it?
Yes.
You think we should try the Monte Carlo now?
Yes.
We're gonna get stuck. I don't even care. We'll pull it out with the Escalade because this thing is like works real. It's fine. You could drive this thing. These tires are basically bald too, and they're like I would drive to the store like this right now.
A bald all-terrain tire is way different than a regular tire though.
Yeah, these tires are really good in the snow. White letter BFGs, can't beat it. All right, back to the GoPro 8. Oh, back to this old one. It's weird, not having the screen in the front anymore. I'm kind of like used to it. Do the wipers work? I have before, but they're kind of spotty, or they're just like so slow when you turn them on that they take 20 minutes.
I think you used them the other day, and yeah.
I don't know. I'll just wipe it off with my hands.
Mr. Pennsylvania, he's never cold.
like people are like, oh, you're so tough. You want to like pull your out because you're from Maine or something. I don't care. I grew up in Pennsylvania, I'm used to this stuff. Keep your in your pants. Half the world sees snow. It's okay.
Oh, that ain't snow. That's not enough snow to be snow. You don't know what real snow is.
You don't know what snow is. Yeah, it's the same stuff. You just see it more. I left Pennsylvania to get away from it because salt ruins your stuff.
You're not gonna be able to see here. It's too foggy.
Yeah, well, we're gonna get stuck anyway, so it's okay. I'll drop you off in the same spot. It's good. We're good. That's okay. That'll get us home. Not. Oh well. We can save these.
They can go to me for.
Yeah. You know, it's just like breathing at a solid 235 right now. Steaming a little bit. Wonder if we turn the key, the fan will come on. Yes. Yeah, now you're using your brain.
See, and that's why I made fun of you. When you watch the video, you're gonna listen to me making fun of you because you don't get cold.
This isn't even real snow. It's not cooling it off fast enough. Oh yes, give some to the alternator. I think it's go-kart time. It's go-kart time. You know, we've never even fired up this go-kart. Like, we don't even know if it works. Yeah, suit up. The fire suit's more just to be warm than anything else. Also, it's funny. It's humorous.
It is humorous. That's a NASCAR.
You know, you gotta like, you know, take one knee in front of it and pose in front of it, and I'll Photoshop Daytona behind you, like they do those starting line pictures.
That.
Yeah. I think we should fire this thing up in here and then roll it outside because it's warmer air in here. Might be happier.
Shut up, Ruger.
I don't even know how to start this thing. He never gave us a crash course on like, oh, the choke is here, this is here.
We should ask Rob if he wants to come help us.
See if this thing will fire. I think if it had any weird instructions, he would have told us. It must be pretty straightforward, so let's give it a shot.
It's like a lawnmower.
Yeah, that's how these things are.
Oh, I didn't realize.
I didn't think this thing had like push start, like some.
Well, I didn't know if there was some meticulous way that it started. Maybe it has a little bitty key or something. I don't know.
That would be cool as hell. No, we're just peasants with this ring-a-ding-ding chord thing. That rhymed, and I wasn't even trying. Ring-a-ding-ding chord thing.
Maybe it needs something that we don't know, and you could ask Rob because he lives right next door.
Oh, there's a wire here. It has a button.
See?
secret button. It's a kill switch. That's what that is. I bet it runs now. There we go. Hop in. All right, let her eat. Yeah. Keep going, I got you. Keep it pinned. Yeah. I have never thought she was more awesome than I do right now. This thing needs posse. Yeah, keep it pinned. We got some understeer. Huh? Maybe it would help if you had some more weight back here. All right, go ahead. Not too much, I'm too heavy. Yeah! They laughed. You want to bring them back to the garage so we can put the qualifying engine in? I'm just saying stuff. You're really ripping it. I bet it would work really good in a parking lot that wasn't already bumpy.
Exactly. If it was like, you have all these grooves in it, it would be fine. But it's getting caught on all the grooves.
I'm faster. So Kevin, how did it feel?
Felt good.
Would you like to thank your sponsors? Oh, backfire, sweet. I thought this was more fun than the other stuff, and I was just watching you.
I'd like to thank Delmar's Lawn Care for giving me this opportunity today. No, on a real note, thank you to Travis Bell, because we wouldn't have this go-kart if it wasn't for him.
Yeah, we'd like to thank our car owner, Travis Bell, and our not yet sticker produced sponsor, Stapleton Auto Works, because MPRE and Delmar's Lawn Care did not renew their deal. However, we do not have new vinyl. We're a low budget team, so this is the best we can do.
But Travis is a great team owner, and it really needs one of those suck-it plates.
Yes, it does. A mini one.
Yes.
Okay, so we're about to make the trek to a better parking lot. There she goes. Ah! Make sure everything's okay. I'm honestly shocked at how not dirty it is under there. It looks like all the inner fenders contained all the spray. Cool. Let's hit the road. Four-wheel drive trans brake launch in the snow up a hill. It's just gonna make a bunch of noise, but it's gonna be really freaking cool to watch. 10 miles an hour when I wasn't moving. That's why when we race this thing, I never use the trans brake because it doesn't freaking work. Half the time when you try it, so like you put it in first gear, you hold the button in. Look at the speedometer.
You can't see it, baby.
Yes, you can.
Okay, well I can't.
Yeah, it's going up. It's set so that the speedometer, the trans brake will not work above like 5 miles an hour, so you don't accidentally hit the button while you're moving and lock up the transmission. So it didn't work that time. So
can I get back in?
yeah, we can go. We can be done now. Now I'm mad.
This sounds like one of those, and now I'm mad.
I thought about that too. And now I'm mad. Yeah, it's that part of the office where Michael's like, "Hey Ryan, it's your girlfriend, and I'm mad." I've driven this thing a lot in the snow back when it was normal, but not like this. Nothing's changed other than it sounds way cooler and spins the tires a lot easier. Oops, left the window down. Probably shouldn't have done that. Belt chunks, we'll just put that right back in there, be okay. And we could mess around with Uncle Rob and George too, but like, why? Escalade's the same thing. If they had cool engines in them, it would be cooler, but Uncle Rob is half blown up. He's got a melted piston, and Uncle George barely has enough power to turn his own tires right now, so we'll get this thing back inside and assess the damage.
The Monte Carlo looks sad.
I'm sitting on snow.
Yeah.
I can't see. There we go.
Oh my god. Don't crush the tire shine over there.
We'll do that at freaking 50 miles an hour down the pits and call me Dale Earnhardt. Neither one of us were prepared for this to be as uncooperative as it is.
This is gonna be a nice puddle.
Yeah, it is. It's a funny picture. And the Escalade is just gonna drive on in here like it doesn't even care.
No, you're okay.
He hates fun.
He hates loud noises.
Well, it looks like everything held up pretty well. Let's do like a recap of what we thought the most fun was. I think I know your answer.
What?
Go-kart.
No.
Well, you got to drive the go-kart, I didn't.
Yeah, I got to drive the go-kart, but it got stuck everywhere and that sucks.
Yeah, it sucked. I had to push it.
But was it heavy?
Not very. I did have to run behind it for like 2 miles though.
But I was going on my own power then.
Yeah.
So it was fine.
Yeah, it was still hard.
The Monte Carlo was not very fun to watch, if I'm being honest.
No, it just sounded cool.
It
And
did sound cool and the exhaust was cool. It was blowing black smoke.
just like to throw in here real quick, we got to give the Monte Carlo some credit because it did not get stuck in the road. It kind of got stuck in the driveway, but didn't get stuck in the road. So I think that's worth something.
It got stuck in the driveway like 2 feet from being in the door.
Well, it would have been in the door if I had been able to see out the windshield and could have carried the momentum inside once it started moving. But I kept stopping once it would start because I didn't want to bite traction and then launch myself into the wall.
Yeah.
So That was, you know, I should have just cleaned the windshield, but we don't want to bag on the Monte Carlo. Didn't get stuck. It threw belt, got really hot. Hopefully we didn't hurt something. Rich AF.
Yeah, it was like, just like, would be fine, and it'd be like, poof, and it'd look like a smoke bomb went off.
There you go. Well, looks like we got the only problem the Escalade had is headlight condensation, but it's a good thing we're getting some new ones done. Everything held up good. If you enjoyed the snowmageddon, they call it here, with us, make sure you're subscribed. Check out some of the other videos too. Every car in here has its own playlist on the channel, so you can find that. Also, you can support the channel by checking out our website of random cool things that we like, and hopefully you like too.
I pack all of your orders, so it's really exciting. And then I write you a nice note, and we both sign it.
Yeah.
And you can get this super cool North Carolina flag shirt.
Oh, yeah, it's
right
up there. Oops. And we have this one, the ICT one, with Uncle George on it, and the shirt version of this license plate. And we also got stickers, things like that.
Fun fact, new batch of the OG Escalade shirts are coming.
Yes, they are
I'm
coming.
really excited for that.
We're doing like one more run of the original LSXcalade shirt, and then we're gonna have a new one after that. So if you didn't get the original one way back when, and you want one, stay tuned, because they're gonna come out.
Yeah,
they're coming.
We're not ordering a big batch of them, just enough to like get by it until the new design comes.
Yeah.
If that makes sense.
Yeah, exactly. And we got hats too. This one's probably my favorite right now, and it's because it fits really well. Snapback, mesh back.
Nice.
Do we even have any LXL in the flex fits?
Nope.
Wow, we're cleaned out of hats right now.
Small, medium, small, medium. This is the only one.
This is the last one of this hat, so if you want this hat, that's the last one. Who likes leftover Christmas stuff? Because we do. If you want to have the coolest Christmas sweater next Christmas, get one of these right now, put it in your closet, forget about it, and then you'll be like the coolest person ever next Christmas. Because we're not going to make these again, but we have some left over, so.
Yeah, because everybody has their like ugly Christmas sweater party for work or whatever, or their like festive holiday shirt, because they are like you and they don't want to wear their like buttoned up stupid shirt.
Yeah.
So this is your holiday shirt.
Yes, this is what I would wear to a Christmas party if we went to Christmas parties.
Well, you wore it for like 3 days at your mom's house. So
yeah, 3 days in a row.
StapletonAutoworks.com.
Where's the link?
In the description.
Absolutely. It's terrible. We're so bad at this.
Sorry, I suck.
No, it's so corny. I hate doing the merch plugs, but we kind of like have to. Otherwise, nobody knows that we have this.
Yeah.
So.
That's kind of my job.
Yeah.
So if nobody buys things, I just don't make any money. So it's cool.
Yeah. We're pretty much, this is all we do. We're just small business people messing with cars. And we're glad that we get to do it. We appreciate you watching. Even if you can't afford to get a shirt or something, it's no big deal. Like, we're just glad you're along for the ride. So, thank you.